The Earth's core is hotter than the surface of the Sun. The speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second. The human brain is the most energy-consuming organ in the body, using about 20% of the body's total energy. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes, between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. Dolphins use a unique whistle for identification, similar to humans using names. A bolt of lightning can reach temperatures of 30,000 Kelvin, 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 5 times hotter than the surface of the Sun. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The average person produces about 25,000 quarts of saliva in a lifetime. The human body contains enough iron to make a small nail. The sunsets on Mars are blue. Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets in the solar system, with one day lasting about 9.9 Earth hours. The tallest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest, is still growing about 1/4 of an inch every year due to tectonic plate movement. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to power a 100-watt light bulb for about 3 months. The human body has over 600 muscles. The Earth's atmosphere weighs about 5.5 quadrillion tons, 5 quadrillion metric tons. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. The average adult human has about 206 bones in their body. The world's largest volcano is Mauna Loa in Hawaii, which is also one of the most active. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest living structure on Earth and can be seen from space. Sound travels about 4 times faster in water than in air. The human body contains enough carbon to fill 9,000 pencils. In the vacuum of space, astronauts cannot cry because there is no gravity to pull tears down their cheeks. The northern lights, Aurora Borealis, and southern lights, Aurora Australis, are caused by the interaction of solar particles with Earth's magnetic field. The longest recorded flight of a chicken was 13 seconds. The surface area of a human lung is roughly equivalent to a tennis court. The total weight of all the ants on Earth is estimated to be equal to or greater than the weight of all the humans on the planet. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes bone in the ear, which is about the size of a grain of rice. The average person walks the equivalent of 3 times around the world in a lifetime. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. The average cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds. The human body produces enough heat in 30 minutes to boil half a gallon, 2 liters, of water. The surface temperature of the moon can reach up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and drop to minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit at night. The average person blinks about 15 to 20 times per minute. The smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury, and the largest is Jupiter. The smallest known mammal is the bumblebee bat, which weighs about as much as a penny. A teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. The average lightning bolt is about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, wide and 5 miles long. The strongest muscle in the human body is the masseter, the muscle that helps control chewing. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. The speed of a sneeze can reach up to 100 miles per hour. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to travel from the sun to Earth. The average person's skin weighs twice as much as their brain. The highest recorded temperature on Earth was 134 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley, California, USA. The fastest land animal is the cheetah, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. There are more bacteria in a human mouth than there are people on Earth. The largest living species of shark is the whale shark, which can reach lengths of up to 40 feet. Honeybees have 5 eyes, 3 small ones on top of their head and 2 large compound eyes on the sides. The average person loses about 40 to 100 strands of hair per day. The world's tallest tree is a coast redwood named Hyperion, measuring 379.7 feet. The Great Wall of China is visible from space, but only under certain conditions. The human body contains enough sulfur to kill all fleas on an average dog. A single gram of DNA can store up to 215 petabytes, 215 million gigabytes of data. The average person spends about 6 months of their life waiting for red traffic lights. The largest volcano in our solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, which is about 13.6 miles high and 370 miles in diameter. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. The speed of sound is about 343 meters per second. The average human body contains enough fat to make about 7 bars of soap. The total length of all the blood vessels in an adult human body is about 60,000 miles. The world's largest iceberg was roughly the size of Jamaica, measuring about 11,000 square kilometers. The world's smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, weighing just 2 grams, 0.07 ounces. The average person spends about 1/3 of their life sleeping. Octopuses have 3 hearts. The oceans contain about 97% of Earth's water, with the remaining 3% being freshwater. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. The world's deepest known point in the ocean is the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, reaching a depth of about 36,070 feet. A single teaspoon of soil contains billions of microorganisms. The average adult human has about 20 square feet, 1.9 square meters, of skin. The world's largest flower, the Rafflesia arnoldii, can reach a diameter of about 3 feet. The first human-made object to reach space was the V-2 rocket, launched by Germany in 1944. The average adult human has about 5 liters of blood in their body. The largest known asteroid in our solar system is Ceres, with a diameter of about 590 miles. The average person's heart pumps about 2,000 gallons, 7,500 liters, of blood every day. The world's largest desert is the Antarctic Desert, covering about 5.5 million square miles, 14 million square kilometers. The average person's lungs contain about 300 million alveoli, tiny air sacs responsible for oxygen exchange. The first living creatures sent into space were fruit flies, launched by the United States in 1947. The average adult human has about 32 teeth. The smallest particle in the universe is the quark, which makes up protons and neutrons. The world's largest spider by leg span is the Goliath bird-eater tarantula, which can reach up to 11 inches. The largest recorded earthquake in history occurred in Chile in 1960 and measured 9.5 on the Richter scale. The world's largest known cave is the Son Doong Cave in Vietnam, measuring over 5.5 miles. The human brain can process information as fast as 268 miles per hour, 431 kilometers per hour.